Hello children, welcome to the mathematics period. We are continuing with the maths class work. Till now we have completed numbers 1 to 100, number names 1 to 70 and table of 1, 2, 3 and 4. In today's session we are going to write number names 71 to 100 and table of 5. So where do we write it? In the book number 2. Correct. So take out your book number 2, that is maths class work, and open new page. New page means the page after you completed writing table of 4. On the new page, first line, in the margin, write today's date, that is 19-8-20. After that, write the heading number, NUMBER, then space, names, 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 space 7171, space TO2, space 100. Have you done this, children? Good. Now next line, after the red margin, write number 71 in one single box. Write number 7171. Next box, put a dash. Then next box, start writing SEVENTY 70 space ONE 71. Write S capital. Have you done this, children? Yes. Now leave next line. By now you know that we are leaving one line in between while writing numbers, number names and tables. Right, children? Yes. So leave the next line and next line write number 72. 7 to 72. Then dash, then write SEVENTY 70 space TWO2 72. Next 7373 dash SEVENTY 70 THREE 73. Next number 7474. Then dash, next box write SEVENTY 70 FOUR 74. Next 7575 dash, then write SEVENTY 70 FIVE 75. Next line 7676 dash SEVENTY 70 space SIX 6 76. Next 7777 dash SEVENTY 70 SEVEN 77. Next, 78, 78. Dash, SEVENTY, 70, EIGHT, 8. 78. Next, 79, 79. Dash, SEVENTY, 70, space NINE, 9. 79. Then next is 80. Correct. Write 8080 dash EIGHTY, 80. Write E capital. Have you completed, children? Have you left one line in between? Have you written nicely and neatly? Yes. Check in your notebook. Have you written as per I have shown in the screen? Yes. Good. Now we'll go to next page. Next page, leave first line and in the second line after the margin write number 81. 81, 81. Next box, put a dash. Next box, write EIGHTY, 80, space ONE1, 81. Have you written this, children? Okay. Again we are going to leave one line in between. So leave one line and next line write number 82. 82. Then put dash. Then write EIGHTY, 80, space TWO2. Children, don't forget to give space between two words. Right? Okay. Next. 8383 dash EIGHTY, 80, THREE, 83. Next number 8484 dash EIGHTY, 80, FOUR, 84. Next 8585 dash EIGHTY, 80, FIVE, 85. Next 86 dash EIGHTY, 80, SIX, 6. Next number 8787 dash EIGHTY, 80, SEVEN, 7, 87. Next number 8888 dash EIGHTY, 80, EIGHT, 8, 88. Next number 8989 dash EIGHTY, 80, NINE, 9, 89. Now last number on this page is 9090 dash NINETY 90. Write N capital. Have you done it, children? If you are not completed, you can pause the video and complete. Done? Okay. Now, next page. Again, leave first line. Next line, after the margin, write 9191. Then put a dash. Then write NINETY 90 space ONE 91. Then leave one line. Next number 9292 dash NINETY 90 TWO2. Next number 93 9393 dash NINETY 90 THREE3. Next 9494 dash NINETY 90 FOUR 94. Next number 9595 dash NINETY 90 FIVE 95. Next number, children, 9696 dash NINETY 6. Then next number 9797 dash NINETY 7 97. Next 9898 dash NINETY 90 EIGHT 8 98. Next number 9999 dash NINETY 90 NINE 99. Now the last number, that is 100. 100. This number you have to write in one single box. Children, write 100 in one single box. Then put dash and write HUNDRED 100. Number name of 100 is HUNDRED 100. Have you completed, children? Very good. Now here we complete writing number names from 71 to 100. Now next page we will start table of 5. So write the heading on the first line TABLE table space F of space 5. Table of 5. By now you know how the table is formed. When we go on adding the same number multiple times, we get the answer and it forms a table. So, shall we start writing table of 5? Yes. Now next line, after the margin, write 5. Next box, put a cross, that is multiplication sign. Next box, write 1. Next box, write equals to, and the next box, the answer is 5. Here, we call it as 5 ones are 5. Have you written it, children? Yes. Now, leave next line and then write 5, the next line multiplication sign, then 2, then equal to sign, write 10. That is 5 2s are 10. Write number 10 in one single box. Now leave next line, then write 5, then into, we call it as into, then 3 equals to 15. 5 3s are 15. Next, 5 into 4 equals to 20. That is 5 4s are 20. Next, 5 into 5 equals to 25. That is 5 5s are 25. Next, 5 into 6 equals to 30. That is 5 6s are 30. Next, 5 into 7 equals to 35. That is 5 7s are 35. Next, 5 into 8 equals to 40. 5 8s are 40. Next, 5 into 9 equals to 45. That is 5 9s are 45. And the last, 5 into 10 equals to 50. 5 10s are 50. Have you completed writing, children? Shall we say the table of 5 again? Yes, you can say it with me. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Have you done it, children? Yes. Here we complete writing table of 5. Now, all this you are going to write in book number 3 again. That is in Maths Homework book. So, you will write number names from 71 to 100 and table of 5 again in book number 3. Okay, children? Now, today's session we are doing revision of basic shapes also. Do you remember, children? In senior KG we have already learned the basic shapes. Which are they? Do you remember? Yes, we are going to see it one by one. So let us move ahead. See, which shape is this? Yes, circle. It's a circle shape. How do we write a circle? C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Right? Now, we find many objects with the shape of circle around us. Which are they? Shall we see? Yes, see? A bangle. A bangle is in circle shape. And a clock. A clock is also in circle shape. Okay, children? Like this, you can find many other objects around you in circle shape. Now, next. Which shape is this, children? Yes, a triangle, which is having 3 sides. Yes. How do we write triangle? Triangle. Triangle. Okay. Which are the things we find in triangle shape? Let's see. See this. We eat sandwich. You eat sandwich. Mummy cut it the way. Then it forms a triangle shape. Do you see? Yes. And a hanger. A hanger where we hang our clothes. That also forms a triangle shape. Have you seen? Yes. Now let's move to the next shape. That is, yes, square. This is a square shape wherein we find 4 sides and all sides are equal. How do we write square? S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now, which are the objects with the square shapes? Look around you. Many objects you find in your home with the square shape. See, a handkerchief is of square shape. And a board, snake and ladder game board, is also of square shape. You can find many other objects like Ludo board, carom board with a square shape. Right, children? Yes. Now, the next. It is, yes, which shape is this, children? Yes, rectangle. This is a rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides, but 2 opposite sides are longer in size and 2 sides are shorter. This is called rectangle. Now, which are the things with the rectangle shape? Yes, we find a photo frame with a rectangle shape and a notebook in which you write your classwork or homework is also a rectangle shape. You can find many other objects like a shape of TV, a shape of pillow, shape of table can be rectangle shape. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.